The developing scandal, massive irregularities revealed by an internal audit conducted in the Kenya Power Company, shows serious flaws in the awarding of tenders to companies. The multi-billion shilling scandal has put the giant power firm on the map of major graft allegations against its employees, whose pockets were dripping full. Currently, 7 of the staff have been sacked. However, the ball is still rolling, with investigations still inconclusive. But just how did Kenya Power employees manage to award tenders to relatives and have up to 9 employees share one company for tenders? NTV's Myendo takes us through the flawed tendering process in Kenya Power.
The internal audit in Kenya Power exposed how several companies affiliated to its employees won multi-billion shilling contracts for emergency infrastructure repairs. In the report, it was further revealed that the companies that received these tenders did not have the capacity to provide quality work, while others did not even have physical locations. So far, 7 employees have been sacked after the naming and shaming in the audit report, which exposed impunity and theft of public money. At the helm of the tendering process were massive irregularities. To begin with, pre-qualifications of contractors required them to have registration or incorporation certificates issued by the Register of Companies and a submission of certified CR12 forms which confirm incorporation certificate numbers, incorporation dates and current directorship of a company. Out of the 525 pre-qualified firms by Kenya Power, 137 submitted certificates different from what was held at the Register of Companies. Aside from that, certificates submitted by the National Construction Authority revealed that 262 pre-qualified firms did not comply, in that one firm submitted acknowledgement letter without a certificate, 12 firms submitted certificates of other firms, 5 did not submit any certificate, and a staggering 244 firms were not registered but submitted fake certificates. In addition, it was required for eligibility that firms be registered before the closure date of the tender. Regardless of this, 39 firms were incorporated after tender closure. All the 525 pre-qualified firms signed declaration forms as required. However, the audit shows that 67 related firms were owned by the same directors. Some of these directors were Kenya Power employees themselves or their relatives. In another instance, it was required that completed tenders be saved as a PDF format and submitted in the appropriate KPC e-procurement web portal. It was found that 10 firms, though pre-qualified, did not submit their bids through the prescribed form in the tender document. The firms instead had their documents absorbed inside other tenderers. Moreover, it was required that the tenderers provide names, qualifications, CV and copy of employment letter of key employees and technical directors. The names submitted were those of Kenya Power employees as the firm's key technical staff. On being questioned, however, the employees denied any knowledge or relations with the said firms, despite the fact that their names are mentioned in writing. Still on the employees, the tender document had instructed bidders to give detailed information of 2 key supervisory personnel to be employed as full-time staff on the project if awarded the contract. Here, 9 key employees submitted by the tenderers were shared by more than one company. Further investigations are expected to be conducted, with Deputy President William Ruto directing Inspector General of Police Joseph Boynet to dig deeper and find conclusions so that appropriate action is taken within 21 days. Kenya Power Managing Director Ken Tarus confirmed blacklisting the said contractors, with the sacked employees expected to be given their termination letters on Monday, May 28th. Myendo, NTV.